Quad stretch, toe to wall with lateral bend. The toe to wall quad stretch with the lateral bend builds on the standard version of the quad stretch by opening not just the quads and the hip flexors, but also the side of the body, the lats, obliques, and QLs. Start in a half kneeling position with your back toes on the wall and your knee on a soft surface close to the wall. From here, set your posterior pelvic tilt, our PPT, by tucking your tailbone under and squeezing the rear glute to lock the pelvis into place. Keep the glute active throughout the stretch. Now, raise your arm on the same side as the back leg, straight up overhead. Reach tall through your fingertips and slightly elevate the shoulder to lengthen the muscles along the side of your body. From this position, laterally bend your torso away from the side with the raised arm. So if your right leg is back and your right arm is up, bend to the left. This creates a long, deep stretch through the quads, hip flexors, obliques, lats, and QLs. Focus on reaching up and over rather than collapsing sideways or forwards. You're trying to create space and length from the knee on the floor all the way to the fingertips. You can perform this movement dynamically, flexing to the side and holding for 5 to 20 seconds, or statically, holding an isometric position for up to 60 seconds per side. Keep breathing deeply, stay tall, and maintain control throughout. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.